How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get the lowest input lag MS in OSU. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you're using a wired connection, because having something like a wireless connection will go ahead and hinder the lag or the input lag between the device and your mouse or your pen. And what you want to do is to head over to OSU. And by the way, you could also update your drivers so in that way they will be able to be connected as fast as possible. Now in here, you just want to type for delay. And then basically in this section, or I believe it's going to be input lag. And there's also going to be the high precision mouse. So you want to make sure that this is turned on if you're using a mice as your input. And for the audio delay, of course, you could also get rid of that. You just want to type audio. And in here we have the offset adjustment, and just make sure that you adjust this according to your liking, because it can actually cause delay in your inputs. And of course, you also want to update your graphics card. So if you're using something like an AMD or in NVIDIA, you want to search NVIDIA graphics drivers update, and from there you will be able to do it. Now, you also want to type update or check for update for your Windows. Now, by doing this, this will eliminate bugs and glitches and make sure that you're on the latest compatible version of Windows that's able to be connected with your devices seamlessly. And for the mouse setting, of course, you just want to make sure that you adjust your mouse pointer speed with your preference and so on and so forth. But that's generally how you do it. The main thing that I want to prioritize is to make sure that you're using a wired mouse connection, or if not, you could be using the 2.4 gigahertz connection if you have that type of connectivity in your mices, because some other mices will only be compatible for Bluetooth, which will increase the delay or the latency for your inputs. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.